Hi everyone. In this module we will discuss the syllabus of 10th standard physics, which carries 25 to 27 marks in the board exam. So we have 5 topics in particular syllabus of physics. First one is electricity, second one is magnetic effect of electric current. We have light section in which there are 2 topics, refraction and reflection, and human eye and colorful world. So the last that is fifth topic in the physics section is from natural phenomena, that is sources of energy. So we will see the brief introduction about the syllabus of these topics. So all these topics carries 5 to 6 marks in the board exam, but for sources of energy 3 to 5 marks will be there. The distribution of marks is according to section, that is physics, chemistry, biology, not according to the chapters. So each and every section like physics, chemistry and biology will be asked around for 26 to 27 marks. So the syllabus for the first chapter, that is electricity, is in introductory part we have the different physical quantities like charge, current, potential, difference, resistance. Then we will see how to draw a circuit, what are the components of circuit diagram like battery, cell, rheostat. Then we have the famous Ohm's law, which deals us the relationship between voltage and current, that is both are directly proportional to each other. Then we have resistivity, which is the property of a material. Then we have the heating effect of electric current, that is the Joule's law of heating and its practical applications in the different appliances like heater, bulb, iron. Then we have series and parallel circuit. Then we have electric power and the energy consumed by electric appliance. So you might have know that the energy consumed by electric appliances and electric power, or simply the power, we have seen in 9th standard in the chapter of work and energy. Moving to the next topic, that is magnetic effect of electric current. This topic is new for you, and in this we have the introduction to the magnetic field, how the magnetic field behaves, how we can identify the magnetic field with the help of magnetic field lines. We know there are 2 types of magnets, that is there are a lot of, but in our syllabus we have 2 types of magnets since 6th standard. One is bar magnet and another one is horseshoe magnet. How electricity and magnetism are interlinked, that also the part of the topic. Then we have magnetic field due to current carrying conductor in not a straight conductor only, but we will see how is the magnetic field in circular loop also. Then we have solenoid, that is electromagnet on a particular cylindrical shape of metal. We used to wrap the copper wires. That type of arrangement we usually see in fans. Then we have right hand thumb rule to find the direction of magnetic field. The famous discovery that was made by the Andre Ampere. Then we have Fleming's left hand rule. The Ampere discovered that current carrying conductor, when placed in magnetic field, experiences a force. That means that particular magnetic field applies a force on a current carrying conductor. So that was governed by the Fleming's left hand rule. Then we have electromagnetic induction. It is simply the interrelationship between electricity and magnetism, how we can produce a current by changing the magnetic field. So if the current produced by magnetic field, that current is known as induced current, and to identify its direction we have Fleming's right hand rule. On the basis of this electromagnetic induction we have electric generator, and when there is a conversion of electrical energy into mechanical we have electric motor. So we will see how is the construction, principle and working and use of this electric motor and electric generator in this particular chapter. Moving to the next topic in this chapter is overloading and short circuiting, and what is the importance of fuse. How are the wires connected in domestic electric circuits? That is also the part of this topic. So moving further, that is our third topic, light section, starting with refraction and reflection. We know when light changes its path, that phenomenon is refraction, traveling from one transparent medium into another, and reflection when it bounces back from the surface. So to identify these 2 phenomena, we are going to take mirrors and lenses. So in the introductory part we will study the different phenomena like reflection, diffraction, dispersion, scattering, etc. For reflection purpose we are studying the spherical mirrors, and for refraction purpose we are studying the lenses. Obviously you know concave and convex, both mirrors and lenses. So concave mirror and concave lens. Similarly, convex mirror and convex lens. So different terms used in mirror and lenses to study the path of light through these particular surfaces. Then the important from exam point of view, that is image formation by spherical mirrors. That are the 16 ray diagrams in this particular year, that is in 2020. There is no question on this, but in last 10 years papers we have this question. So we will see how ray diagrams can be drawn. And sign convention related with the mirror and lenses, which forms the basis of numerical problems based on the mirror and lenses. We have the uses of concave and convex mirror as well as lenses. Then we have two famous equations, mirror equation and lens equation, on the basis of which we are going to solve the numericals in this particular chapter. We have only two chapters having numericals. One is electricity and another one is this chapter, that is light, refraction and reflection. Then we have magnification. What is the size of image as compared to the size of object? So combiningly with mirror equation, lens equation and magnification, we can find the nature, position and size of the image. Moving forward, we have refraction due to glass slab and the refractive index, which is the property of a material or a medium, particularly we can say here. We have the power of lens. Moving to the next topic, that is human eye and colorful world. In this particular section we have the structure of human eye and the accommodation, that is ability of our eye lens to adjust the focal length. So if anyone is failing to adjust its focal length due to some reasons, we have three types of defects, that is myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia, that is farsightedness, nearsightedness and weakening of ciliary muscles which results in failing of ciliary muscles to adjust the focal length. And then we have refraction of light through prism. Then we have dispersion of light, that is separation of light into 7 colors. Then atmospheric refraction, then scattering of light and different natural phenomena which are asked for 2 marks, like why the color of sky is blue, why there is a reddish sun appears at sunrise and sunset, what is Tyndall effect, why there is apparent change in the position of star, why star twinkles. So all these phenomena are related with the dispersion of light, that is rainbow formation, atmospheric refraction and scattering of light. So we will see the last chapter, that is sources of energy, which is from natural phenomena section. In this chapter we will see what are the properties or qualities of good source. The renewable and non-renewable sources, that is conventional and non-conventional, that are also we are going to see in this chapter. That is fossil fuels, coal and petroleum, thermal power plant, hydropower plant, biogas plant, wind energy, solar energy. In particular solar energy we have solar cell and solar cooker. In nuclear energy we are going to see the nuclear fission and nuclear fusion, that is hydrogen bomb is one example. Tidal energy and wave energy, geothermal energy. And as there is an increase in demand of energy, what are the environmental consequences as we are using different energy sources, natural sources? So we will see what are the different adverse effects or consequences on the environment. So in this way, this is the structure for the 10th standard physics, which comprises 5 chapters. So from tomorrow onwards we will start the electricity. As I already told you, you must ready till the section circuit of diagram, circuit diagram, till Ohm's law we can say. And in tomorrow's lecture we will see up to that particular section. So I insist you to read the textbook. You can download the app ePathshala, which is of NCERT, where you will get all the books of NCERT in PDF format. And obviously you start reading right now. Thank you friends.